How to tell the difference between fire ants, regular ants. Fire ants look like any typical ant seen crawling in a yard throughout the United States. However, fire ants are not like the traditional ant. These ants are aggressive. They are common throughout the southern U.S., although they have been known to travel as far north as Maryland. Knowing how to identify fire ants is important, because some people can have a fatal reaction to a fire ant bite. Things you'll need: jar or paper, magnifying glass. Capture a suspected fire ant in a jar or place one on a piece of paper. Observe the ant closely. A fire ant has a dark, reddish-brown color on most of its body and head. However, the abdomen appears darker in color. Although the size of regular ants varies by species, fire ants are generally about 1/16 to 1/5 of an inch long. Search the yard for an ant hill or mound. Unlike regular ants, which typically build low-lying nests, fire ants have mounds as high as 15 inches. The mounds are also often 15 inches in diameter and can go as deep as 5 feet into the ground. Watch the ants' behavior. Fire ants become aggressive if the mound or nest is disturbed. Regular ants do not normally act as aggressively. Check arms and legs for any ant bites. A bite from a fire ant can be painful and grow into a small welt. Tips: warnings. Fire ants tend to build nests from soil either near a foundation of a building or in heavily landscaped areas. Prevent fire ants and other insects by removing standing water on a property. Trim trees and plants so they are not near the house. Do not keep firewood or building materials near a house or other building. These attract insects, including fire ants.